Hey guys, today I'm going to just show you this cool little thing that you can get at Walmart. It's called Love My Curls Favorites. I know they have a few other boxes for maybe different hair types, or I don't know, because my mom was the one that went and got this. But this is the one for your curls, and it has a bunch of nice things in here. And it has a little flap where you can see the stuff. And it has a cute little message on there. And this is $9.99 at Walmart. So I will get into what you get in this cute little Love Your Curls set. Okay, these are the products that you get with this. Let me move some of them in so you can see them better. So you get a bunch of stuff. You get 8 little sample size things to try out. And some of these things I've tried, and some of these things I haven't tried. So let's talk about some of the products. Okay, these down here I've tried. I've tried this, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I went through 2 bigger bottles of this. This is my 3rd bigger bottle that I have of this stuff. There's the little baby sample size. This is 3.2 fluid ounces. And this one's 8, the one that I have. But I went through 2 of these 8-ounce ones, and it is so good. I can style my hair with this long. Not everybody can, because everybody's curly hair is different. But for my curly hair, this I can use along by itself. So this is a really good product. And this is a good way to try out before you commit to buying the whole bottle. Okay, next product is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Every curly girl that is on their natural hair journey has tried this. And this is a really, really good product. It smells amazing. And when I first used this, my mom bought me a travel size like this for Christmas, and I ended up loving it, and I bought a full-size bottle. But this is a good way to try the Curl Enhancing Smoothie out. And this is 3.2 fluid ounces. And this lasted me a while when I tried it out. When I had my sample size. When I got it for Christmas one year. So it lasts longer than you think it will. So moving on to Maui Moisture. This you get 3.3 fluid ounces in each of these bottles. I've tried this conditioner. I love it. It smells good. It's really hydrating on the hair. And I'm sure the shampoo is just as good as the conditioner was when I had it. But yeah, and it's good to try these all out. These are silicone free and sulfate free. And that's really good. So, these are great products. These are cruelty free, vegan, eco-friendly, coconut oil, aloe vera juice. They're all kinds of good. And so are these. These are not tested on animals. No parabens, all that stuff. They don't have any of those in the Shea Moisture products. Now let's move on to this other stuff up here. Okay, so these 2 things. We have the Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Mango Leave-In Conditioner. It's supposed to soften and moisturize your hair. And by the way, I did look on the back of this, and it does have a silicone in it, so if you don't like silicones, you might want to avoid this. But this one says on the back that it's sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free. It might have silicones in it too, because it doesn't say silicone free that I can see. But that's what these 2 are. And this one is the coconut milk and organic honey, quenches and controls frizz for all curl types. So it's just a little mask deep conditioner. So that's that. And I just said, I don't know, these are not 100% Curly Girl Method approved, but it just depends on how you feel about silicones being in your products. Okay, these next things are probably not Curly Girl method approved, but if you don't care about that, then yeah. I've used this before a long time ago, before I really knew about my curly hair, and it did make my curls look good. But if you're going to use this, I would use it with a deep conditioner or something to hydrate your hair first before you just put this mousse on it. And this Secret Weapon, I've never tried before from Frizzies, but it probably has like silicones and stuff in it. But I will probably try it out at some point. But that's just these two products. I like this one. Don't know about this one. Would use this one with a deep conditioner definitely. But I think for $9 you get a good, pretty good thing of things to try. Especially if you've never tried any of these brands. This is great to start you out, and this mask is probably good. But yeah, and this probably smells really good because it has mango. And I'm sorry that my voice sounds really bad in this video because my allergies are bothering me. But there's that kit. I thought I would just share it with you guys out there, so if there's any curly girls out there, they can see that this is available at Walmart. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.